Alright students, welcome back. In my previous video, I have told you something about addition. So, do watch that video. But before going forward, we will just recapitulate all the things which we have done earlier, right? So, for addition, there are many words which are used like total, sum, add and together, right? If we see these words in word problem, or if it is given, okay, what is the total of the following? So what we have to do? We have to do addition. And I have also told you two facts about addition. Our first fact was when we add 0 with any number, so the answer will be the number itself. It means if there is 12 plus 0, so our answer will be, the number itself means 12 is our answer. Second fact which I have told you, that numbers can be added in any order, right? So when we add 3 plus 2, the answer will be 5. Or if we have added 2 plus 3, the answer will be 5, right? So we can add numbers in any order, but our answer will remain the same. In this video, now we are going to do 3-digit addition, right? 3 places are given here and there are carryover sums also. When you have something extra, so you give it to your friend, you share it with your sibling. Similarly, the places which are here like ones, tens and hundreds, so if the numbers become 2-digit number, they just give it to the place which is next to them, right? So if there is something extra number, means if it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So if it is 10, so the place will not keep it with them. They will just give it to the other place, right? So I will explain you how. This is the first rule which you all know. Whenever we will add 0 with any number, the answer will remain the same. So our answer will be the 7, right? Next is 4 plus 8. So we will keep the bigger number in mind and we will open our 4 fingers. What comes after 8? It is 9, 10, 11, 12. Ab beta, kya hua? The number is bigger. It is bigger than 9. It is 12. Right. So 2 is at the ones place. We will keep 2 here at tens place, and this one, it will go at the next place. This is our carryover, right? The tens place will give this one to hundreds place. Now we will add 3 plus 2. It is 5, and don't forget to add the number which is written at the carry, right? That is 1. So 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1, 6. Right? So our answer is 627. Let's see the next sum. 8 plus 7. Okay, 7 on fingers. Right. After 8, it is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right. So we cannot write 15 like this here. If we will write 15 like this, it is wrong. It is wrong. So we will keep 5 here. Okay. We will keep 5 here at one's place, and this one is our carryover. Right? Clear? Means this one is extra. So this 5 has given this one to the next place. Right? 4 plus 3, as you know, bigger number in mind and smaller number on the finger. What comes after 4? 5, 6, 7. And 7 plus 1, it is 8. So we will put 8 here. Right? 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, it is 8. One thing which you have to keep in mind, never do the sums with lining. Suppose 8 are given here, you will not draw 8 lines. This is the wrong method of doing addition. Right? You will always count on the fingers. Okay? You will not do any sums with lines. Clear? Let's do the last sum. 8 plus 2. Same you know. 8 in mind. 2 on finger. After 8 it is 9, 10. So for 10 we will keep 0. We will put 0 here and 1 is our carry over. Right? Okay. 9 plus 0, you know, when we add 0 with any number, the answer will be the number itself. So it is 9. But we have to add 1 here also because it is written there. It is our carry, right? So 9 plus 1 is 10. So for 10 we will again write 0 here and 1 is our carry over. Right? Now 4 plus 2, 6. 6 and 1, 7. So our answer is 700. Right? So keep on practicing and you have to do a lot of practice of addition. So it will become very easy for you to do addition on the fingers. And you will be able to do it very quickly. Right? So keep on practicing and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.